In this video, I'll show you a quick way to transfer your edited templates from one Canva account to another. I'll walk you through two simple ways to share your design templates from your laptop. One is free and the other is for premium users. So let's jump straight in. Open both Canva accounts in different browsers. For example, one in Google Chrome Profile 1 and the other in Google Chrome Profile 2. On the first account, open the design you want to transfer. Click the Share button, then select Template Link. Next, click Create Template Link and copy it. Now go to your other Canva account, paste the link in the browser and click View Template. Next, click Open in Editor. The design will automatically be saved in this new account, ready to edit. And that's it, your Canva template is now successfully transferred from one profile to another. Now, I'll show you the free method. First, open both Canva accounts in different browsers. On the first account, open the design you want to transfer, click the Share button, then under Access Level, click the drop-down arrow. Select Anyone with the link. Click this drop-down arrow and select Can Edit. Click Copy Link. Now go to your other Canva account and paste the link in the browser. Now you can copy everything, create a new design, and paste it there. And that's it. Your Canva design is now successfully transferred from one profile to another for free. Alternatively, if you have Canva Premium, you can do this by creating a team. To create a team, click on your profile icon and select Create Team. Now, enter your other account's email here and click Create. Once you do that, click on the three dots of your design. Then select Copy to another team. Now, select your team account and click Copy. And that's it. Your Canva design is now successfully transferred to your other account. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.